Hey everybody, this is Seth. I just attended a seminar of Jabari Hall on financial empowerment, and he was really good.
For financial literacy, right? Poorly understanding finances, what it would look like. And then when we effectively or we know how to manage our finances, what it looks like.
When I walk in this room and I saw him explaining everything, I didn't even thought about how much I owe the bank, what are my expenses, daily expenses, how I can save. But after this seminar, right away I'm thinking how to manage my finances.
We're already working with $400,000 in 10 years. And if we're not properly managing it, we need to rethink about how we're going to manage that for the next 10 years.
He explained everything about how to manage the finances and how finances work. He gave a lot of different examples, how you can open the bank accounts. He helped us, to maintain the good relation with bank people, the details of community halls. Now we have a next session on the credit union, he's gonna help us how to maintain the credit score. He was really fantastic. Thank you so much.